The decadent pistachio-cream-filled chocolate chip cookies are crispy on the outside, gooey on the inside, and a surprise nutty center. Imagine a chewy chocolate chip cookie with a surprise filling that's creamy, nutty, and totally addictive. That's what we're going for today, and that's where the pistachio cream comes in a game changer for cookie lovers. Let's get baking. 1/2 cup, 1 stick unsalted butter melted. To make these delicious cookies, start by creaming together the butter and sugars. Beat with egg until fluffy. 1/3 cup brown sugar, 1/4 cup white sugar, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. Add 1 egg and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Mix until smooth. Blend until smooth and creamy. 1½ cups all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of milk. Mix with dry ingredients to make a dough. 1 tablespoon of dry milk powder. 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. Fold in 3/4 cup chocolate chips, dark, milk and white chocolate, 1/2 cup shelled pistachios, salted, 1 tablespoon dry milk powder, 2 tablespoons powdered sugar. The moment of truth has finally arrived, assembling our cookies. We'll take a spoonful of dough, flatten it slightly, and place a dollop of pistachio cream in the center. Close it. Bake at 120°C for about 20 minutes. Let them cool slightly. Look at that creamy pistachio center. Have you ever tried adding a surprise filling to your cookies? In the end, making these pistachio cream-filled chocolate chip cookies is easier than you think. If you're a fellow cookie lover, I'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite cookie flavor? Let me know in the comments below, and be sure to check out my other baking videos for more delicious recipes. These pistachio cream-filled chocolate chip cookies are rich, nutty, and absolutely irresistible. Give them a try and share with someone sweet. Like, comment, and subscribe for more dreamy dessert recipes.